Welcome back to the channel. Welcome. In today's video, we're going to learn how to use MetaTrader 4. Yes, MetaTrader 4 is one of the trading platforms, which are MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Today, we're going to see how to use MetaTrader 4. If it's the first time you are popping on the channel, don't forget to subscribe, to like and share. Don't forget also to become the member of the channel. On this channel, the members are not only for perks. No, we are here to make money as a forex trader. I created a WhatsApp group for the members of the channel. If you want to be on my WhatsApp group where I share signals, you can become the member by clicking join. Only if you are a subscriber, you will see a join button. If you don't have a join button, depending on the country you are in, you can WhatsApp me. There is a phone number on the description of this channel, which is always there. You can WhatsApp me. We can arrange how I can add you on my WhatsApp group, VIP group. So let's start. Let's see how to use MetaTrader 4. So as soon as you download the MetaTrader 4, you will see this get started. You will click on get started. You will see a MetaTrader. You will see some demo account will create automatically if you click accept. Then in order for you to add the other account, whether it's a real account or demo account, you click there here, then you click on sign plus. If you want to add demo account or a real account, they will say login into existing account. Let's say for demo account, because I don't want to expose my real account right now, I did remove it. So here we have you will choose, for example, this is a forex time, demo 0. You click on it, then you fill the details. You fill your name, phone number, email address, and you choose the amount. For how much demo account, how big size you want. It's better to choose a less amount so that you will learn to manage small money. Then you click create account. Here down is all the create account. Then you click on it. Then it will say click done. There down there is a word done. Then you click on it. Yes, so after you create this account, it will direct you to this like this. And you can see that all these currency pairs, they are not enough. They are not enough. You will click there here to add more. There on top there is a sign plus. You will click on sign plus. Yes, to add more there is a minus. Then as you click on each one, it will be added to your MetaTrader. You choose the metal we trade the silver and the gold. Then you choose them. All of them are not tradable. Just choose. We have a Nasdaq and the US state. You click on it and then you come back. So you can see the market is busy. Then, for example, let's open a gold. For you to open the trade to check what it is doing, you click on it. And when you finish, you do like this, open a chart. Yeah, then you start doing analysis on your market. For example, gold, we have a support. Even though the market is below the 200 moving average, we have a support, so it will come to test a day because it just broke the trend line. So next week we can expect more pullback because now it's doing what you call retraced. All right, so now we have you know that you seen the trade now. For you to take the trade, you will click there on top. There is a sign plus. There is a sign plus. Then you click on it. Then here is where you put your lot size. Here is where you put your lot size. And here is where you put your stop loss. Here is where you put your take profit. And yes, then there below here there is buy and sell. And also here there is what you call market execution. It's where you put the trade to wait. For example, buy limit, sell limit, meaning if the market reach at this point, it should give us, it should go back or it will continue. That's what it, to go back, it's buy limit or sell limit. To continue is buy stop, sell stop. So that's what you call market execution. And also you put the price, you select the price. Then when you finish to select the price, let's say buy limit. When you finish to select the price, you click here to put the price. When that trade each day, it will do as you said. The trade will be active. Yes, so that's how you use MetaTrader 4. Then to check the money you have, to check the chart or the balance, you come here and click. You can see the balance here down. That fresh yellow. Then to check the how much money is here on the envelope cover, how much money you lost, how much money you gained in the past year or in the past few months. That's where you click, right? Yeah, that's how it is. To get the settings to change something, you click here on top and here, then you click on settings to change whichever you don't want to be appear there. Then once you click on it, let me say, for example, let's say up lines, ask up lines, colors, order sound in case you are taking a trade. When you say order sound, to mean that every time you're going to take the trade, they will see like you will hear like a noise saying so once you take the trade, it's open in loss always. So you can see it's in loss. If you want to cross the trade, you click hold, then you click cross, then you down there cross with loss or cross with profit. Then you close your trade and then you come to the envelope side to check how much you lost, how much you gained. That way you will check. This is how you use MetaTrader 4. Right? If you want to learn a Forex, and I'm here for you. If you want to be in a VIP group, I'm here for you. Check the phone number there, or you can just click join, be the member of the channel. Once you become the member, we will share with you the signals on the WhatsApp group, because you'll be added on VIP WhatsApp group. Thank you so much for your time. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.